Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the slow motion speed on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So first, what we need to do is record the slow motion video. So let's switch to the slow motion. And now let me quickly record a video. Alright, after that, once we are done, we need to open the video. So let's go back to the camera, and on the left side we can tap on the last recorded video. Now over here we will see our video, and at the bottom of the screen over here we have two rectangles. So this is the one and this is the second one, and what we can do is move them all the way to the left. I mean the left one move all the way to the left, and then move the right one all the way to the right in order to make the slow motion effect appear on the whole video, the whole recording. So if I play this now, then you will see that the slow motion effect will be like in effect all the time. But if I adjust it, then let's say I put it only this small portion in the middle, this means that only in the middle of the video there will be a slow motion. So as you can see now, it is barely visible. Let me actually pause the video to show you, and now let's play it. So it's normal and then slows down just for a sec. So we can adjust the slow motion speed by moving these rectangles all the way to the beginning and the end of the timeline. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.